In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix MFC140.dll missing on your Windows 11. So let's get started. First is we have to check the system type of our Windows 11. So go to the Windows search bar and type system information. Click on it under the best match. Take note of your system type and then open a browser. Search for the missing DLL and just put download, hit enter. Click on the first option, scroll down, and you have to click the download button corresponding to your system type and wait for this to be downloaded. Once downloaded, click on the folder icon. Then right click on the folder, select extract all, click on extract. Then right click on the folder, like on the DLL file, right click, select copy. Then go to this PC on the left pane, double click on the Windows C drive, scroll down to the Windows folder, locate the System32 folder, right click and then select paste. Okay, just simply paste that from here. Then close the remaining windows and right click at the start button, shut down or sign out and restart. Next method, open a browser again, search for Visual C++ redistributable and hit enter. Click on the first option. Scroll down and click the download link corresponding to your system type and simply install the Visual C++ to your Windows 11. Next method, also consider updating your Windows. So click on the Start button and go to Settings. From the list of options on the left pane, click on Windows Update and simply click the button right here. Okay? So simply update your Windows. And I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thank you for watching the video.